Hi folks, it's me, Martin Lackey, Lions Realty and Investments, your easy bake way of living expert. And in this video, I'm going to show you 15 apps that I use, or 15 apps that you can use as an investor so that you can start saving for a home tomorrow. Thank you for taking this time out of this short video. So what I'm going to need you to do right now is I'm going to need you to put your phones down, grab a pen, grab a paper, because you're not going to want to miss this. Now, let's tell you a little bit about myself. So, I used to own a couple dry cleaners. I started about 8 to 10 years ago, where I just started doing research, and I started just interviewing different investors, and different people in real estate and investing to see, just figure out like what are some of the people doing. I even started out talking to young people to figure out like what are different apps that they've used, and me and my team went out and tried some of these apps. Some of them I use, a few of them myself personally. I love them. I'll tell you that later in the other video. But this is the way we've been learning to live the easy bake way of life. I got sickle cell anemia. It's a blood disease that keeps me, with pain. So I constantly struggle with like pain and taking narcotic meds to be able to deal with it. But that hasn't stopped me from what are my goals and what I'm doing. So I've been in prison 5.5 years, for a racial incident, dealing with the times, that was a different life, So I got 4 kids and 2 nephews that I raised. So, when I say we've struggled, I've struggled. I've been homeless plenty of times. So this is one of the reasons why I decided to get into real estate. It's because, to be honest, I got freaking tired of being homeless, and I just wanted to know how the rich people was over there doing something, and the poor people was in the hood robbing and stealing. So this is what I've came up with. So here we go. So now, wouldn't you want to live the easy bake life? Now make sure you click the link down below. Give us a like on Facebook. Share this information. Leave a comment if you find this information or content valuable. Let me know if there's other stuff you want to know about. Please leave a comment below. So no one is teaching this. Now I'm gonna tell you, no one is teaching this type of stuff. We've been to school. Went to school all them years, and not one time that I ever was taught a financial education class. Not one time was it offered to me. They don't teach you about this stuff in life, so you pretty much got to learn and fall on your face. A lot of this stuff people use, the millionaires and people use, so that they can get the upper hand. So I figured, why not come bring this content to you, and we can use this stuff to build together. The only way this is gonna work if we come together and start some real estate groups and start investment groups and different stuff to build the property. Now, I'm from Madison, Wisconsin. We have some of the worst disparities in the nation. We're actually the 3rd worst in the nation as far as wealth disparities for black folks to white people. We rank average around 63 cents on the dollar, if even that. So, and 1 out of 5 people own their home. 1 out of 6 do investing. So, and these are actually numbers that when we researched, we interviewed over 500 people, and these are numbers that are actual facts, not fiction, for Madison and Dane County. Now, we got a bunch of buildings coming up, so in Dane County, buildings crazy everywhere, rents going everywhere, right? So I wanted to come bring you this video to show you that we can do that too. We got 1 black real estate developer in all of Dane County, and to me that's just blasphemy. That's just a shame. We should have more stuff. We should have more real estate, and we should have more investments into things that actually matter. Let's get this started. So let's say 15 apps investors use for investing. Now, some of these apps you might like. Do your own research. Figure out what apps are you more comfortable with. Figure out the stuff that you like, the stuff you don't like. The first one I want to mention is Market Watch. Now these are not all of these are investment apps. Some of these are like research apps. Some of these are a couple of these Bitcoin apps. Some of these are penny stock apps. When I mean penny stocks is we get into those videos later, but there's different apps that you can use for every level of investing. So one of the things you can try is Market Watch. All right. So Market Watch is one. Market Watch. Let's listen. Market Watch. So another one is seeking Alpha. Now again, do your own research. Make sure you find something that you like. Not everybody's gonna like the same investment as. Not everybody's gonna like the same stuff. So I tend to try to, I like a different thing. So I want my money to be diversified in different accounts. And one of my favorites is TD Ameritrade. Am I spelling this right? Now, TD Ameritrade is an online app that it's another one of those easy apps that you can use. It's easy to set up your account. It takes a few days for the account to get caught up to your bank account, but once it does, you can easily deposit funds into your TD Ameritrade account or into any account, and you can start saving tomorrow, or depending on how their banking system, how their system catches up to your banking system. Now, another one is Siegfried. I don't know if I'm spelling that right, but that's Siegfried. We got investing. I shouldn't be saying it. Investing.com. Now, another one is Coinbase. Tell me if you can see this. Okay. We got Coin market cap. Now, I apologize for my writing. I'm pretty horrible at writing, but I don't care. Don't stop me from making no money. So, if you can't see it, reach out to me or follow the links below. We can show you these different apps. Later on in some future videos, I'll show different trainings on how to set up these exact apps. If you'd like me to show me or my team to show you that, feel free to reach out to us at Lions Consulting or reach out to us at Lions Realty Investment and just see some of the different houses we got. So we ain't into selling you stuff, baby, so we're going to keep it moving.